To view the Fifth Third Bank mobile app, start by ensuring you have a smartphone or tablet with internet access. Next, go to the App Store on your device, such as the Apple App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Search for Fifth Third Bank in the search bar and select the Fifth Third mobile banking app from the search results. Once you have located the app, click the Install or Download button to begin the installation process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. This may take a few seconds. After the installation is complete, locate the Fifth Third mobile banking app on your device and click to open it. You will be prompted to log into your account using your Fifth Third Bank username and password. If you do not have a username and password, you can enroll in online banking through the app or on the Fifth Third Bank website. Enter your username and password in the required fields and click the Login button. After logging in, you will have access to a variety of features and services, including account balances, transaction history, and bill pay. You can also use the app to deposit checks, transfer funds, and locate Fifth Third Bank branches and ATMs to view your account information. Select the account you want to view from the account dashboard and you will be able to see your current balance, recent transactions, and other account details. To get the most out of the Fifth Third Bank mobile app, it is a good idea to familiarize yourself with the different features and services available. You can do this by exploring the app and trying out the different functions. It is also a good idea to set up alerts and notifications to stay on top of your account activity and to help prevent overdrafts and other issues. In addition to the features and services available through the app, Fifth Third Bank also offers a variety of security measures to help protect your account information. These include encryption, firewalls, and secure login procedures. By following best practices, such as using a strong password and keeping your device and app up to date, you can help to ensure the security of your account information. Overall, the Fifth Third Bank mobile app is a convenient and secure way to manage your accounts and conduct banking transactions on the go. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and services available, you can make the most of your banking experience and stay on top of your finances.